Looking for a luxurious motorhome? The Adria Supreme is a top-tier camper van that perfectly blends elegance with outstanding performance and interior comforts. This high-end A-Class RV features a sleek exterior and a spacious interior adorned with premium-grade fixtures and materials. The 700DC model offers an island bed and an end bathroom, while the 700DL provides 2 single beds and a shared bathroom. Enjoy all-day central heating, a multimedia wall, panoramic roof window, and smart control via the Mach app. While the Adria Supreme typically retails for $13,500, you can often find great deals online. For those who demand luxury and style on the road, the Adria Supreme is the ideal choice. Introducing the luxurious Marathon Coach 1379, a top-of-the-line motorhome that seamlessly combines cutting-edge design, contemporary style, and premium amenities. This stunning 2024x3 45 double-slide coach boasts a spacious living area, a modern kitchen, 2 convenient bathrooms, and a cozy bedroom. The exterior is eye-catching with its dramatic red and silver color scheme, while the interior exudes luxury with a warm fireplace, patterned carpeting, leather couches, gold accents, and soft lighting. High-tech features include a Crestron audio system with surround sound, Gerard's automatic awning package, a 20-kilowatt Kohler generator, a Freedom Plus sewer system, and a patented TechLink electrical system. For $2,999,000, the Marathon Coach 1379 lets you take the high life with you wherever you go. Winnebago continues to excel with their luxurious motorhome, the Winnebago Forza. In 2020, Winnebago's revenues hit $2.4 billion, and the Forza truly exemplifies their motto, "All the joys of home, far from home." Why reinvent the wheel when you can make it more comfortable? The Forza comes in 3 configurations, with the most advanced model stretching 12 meters and accommodating up to 8 people, perfect for families or groups. This RV unfolds into a cozy living space, featuring 2 full bathrooms with showers and toilets, a kitchen equipped with a microwave, refrigerator, and stove, and entertainment options ranging from 28 to 50-inch TVs. Comfort is paramount, with air conditioning, heating systems, plush chairs, a soundbar, and even an electric fireplace. Depending on the model, the Forza starts at $376,500. Introducing the Track T4, an innovative and luxurious motorhome from the Australian company Track. This range of trailers includes 3 distinct models, each tailored to different needs. Let's spotlight the T4 Rhapsody, designed for 2 adults. It's the most spacious and comfortable model in the lineup. With just 1 click, the roof automatically rises, providing maximum headroom. The kitchen is impressively roomy and extends outside under a canopy, perfect for outdoor meals. Its wide windows offer an almost panoramic view, enhancing your experience. The retractable table and high-end technological features make the Track T4 the ultimate choice for those seeking luxury in the motorhome world. Meet the Tabbert Cellini 750 HTD, a luxurious motorhome that masterfully combines style and practicality for an unparalleled travel experience. Its standout feature is the unique slide-out design, which effortlessly expands the living area, offering extra space and comfort. Inside, the Cellini 750 HTD boasts a spacious and elegant interior. The living area is inviting, perfect for relaxation, while the modern kitchen is well equipped with the latest appliances, making meal preparation a breeze. The bedroom promises ultimate comfort with a cozy bed for a restful night's sleep, complemented by a stylish bathroom with contemporary amenities. Built on a sturdy chassis and designed for durability, the Tabbert Cellini 750 HTD, priced at about $119,000, is ideal for those who value comfort and luxury in their travels. Introducing the Airstream eStream concept. Envision a travel trailer that's not just a home on wheels, but a visionary partner in adventure. This futuristic marvel combines electric mobility, advanced technology, and sustainable design to redefine the RV experience. Equipped with its own drive axle and motors, the eStream can assist your tow vehicle, extend your range with a high-voltage battery and solar panels, and even maneuver itself into the perfect spot via remote control. Inside, enjoy a modern, spacious interior with all-electric appliances, Wi-Fi connectivity, and sleeping space for 4. While not available for purchase yet, the eStream promises to be a premium choice for discerning travelers, estimated at around $250,000, offering a lifetime of unforgettable experiences. Get ready to experience the epitome of luxury on wheels with the Adria Astella 704 HP. This motorhome redefines travel, seamlessly blending the comforts of a hotel with the freedom of a trailer. Accommodating up to 4 people, its spacious 9 by 2.5 meter layout boasts amenities like panoramic doors and a spa-style bathroom, ensuring a truly indulgent experience. The sleek and functional design features a kitchen with stainless steel accents, soft LED lighting, and Korean worktops, complete with an oven and stove. Plus, enjoy the added comfort of underfloor heating, with optional air conditioning available. Priced at approximately $87,000, the Adria Astella offers unparalleled luxury and comfort, making it the perfect investment for travelers seeking the ultimate in leisure and style. Next is Starliner SL25, a true masterpiece in the world of motorhomes. Crafted with precision in a factory in Portugal, this motorhome may seem unassuming at first glance, but it packs a multitude of surprises. With enough space to include a garage at the back, it stretches an impressive 30.2 feet in length and weighs 16,500 pounds. Custom made to order, it offers a choice of base vehicles from top brands like Mercedes or ICO. Whether you prefer a pre-designed configuration or a personalized layout, the Starliner SL25 caters to your needs. With features like a spacious bedroom or garage, a well-equipped bathroom, a functional kitchen, and comfortable seating areas, it ensures a luxurious travel experience. Plus, its integrated smart system simplifies control, allowing you to adjust settings with just a touch of a button. Luxurious 4 Winds 28Z from Thor Motor Coach, the epitome of comfort and style in the world of RVs. This Class C motorhome is designed to offer a lavish experience on the road. With a spacious living area, rear bedroom featuring a queen bed, and a cab overbunk, it can comfortably accommodate up to 8 people. The kitchen is equipped with modern amenities, including a microwave, standard-sized refrigerator, and a 3-burner stove. Enjoy the great outdoors with the outdoor kitchen stove and refrigerator. Plus, with features like a 55-gallon fuel tank, 14-foot power awning, and manual leveling jacks, the 4 Winds 28Z ensures convenience and ease of use. Though its suggested retail price of $142,050 may seem steep, the comfort and luxury it provides make it worth every penny. Step into the future of travel with Dethleffs, the pioneer of electric motorhomes. At the 2017 Caravan Salon, Dethleffs unveiled the world's first fully electric motorhome, sparking excitement and anticipation. Built on the AVO Daily electric van platform, this innovative vehicle signifies a shift towards sustainable mobility. While it boasts impressive electric capabilities, such as a range of 200 kilometers and a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, it also acknowledges the need for further development in electric motorhome technology. Despite its initial limitations, Dethleffs' electric motorhome marks the beginning of a new era in the RV industry, promising a greener and more eco-friendly future for travelers worldwide. Experience the epitome of luxury and adventure with the HYMER Venture S, a motorhome designed to elevate your travel experience. Featuring a pop-top roof with a loft bedroom, a spacious living area with panoramic windows, and a modern kitchen equipped with a multi-functional wall, the Venture S redefines comfort on the road. Powered by a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 with a 190 horsepower engine and all-wheel drive off-road suspension, this motorhome ensures smooth travels in any terrain. With its Smart Connect system and solar panels, you can stay connected and self-sufficient for up to 10 days. Priced from $197,540, the HYMER Venture S is the ultimate choice for discerning travelers seeking both luxury and functionality in their motorhome adventures.